Welcome to Salveyo Quezon City Branch!
Ripped jeans, gold rings, all black, everything creeping through the night. Big girls don't scream hard like Halloween, make me feel alive. Oh, they try to put me in the corner, but I don't listen all that much.
This company will change the lives of the people!
I've been causing way too much trouble. I've been causing way too
Good more earnings, everyone! Hello, Salveyan Swappreneurs! Grabe! Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga pumunta. We are really overwhelmed. Never namin na-imagine na we're gonna open. Alam mo itong ganito kalaking at kagandang branch dito sa Metro Manila.
Ladies and gentlemen, join in me. Let's start in counting by 3, 2, 1.
Today, December 14, mark your calendar. Eto na yon, binuksan na yung ating Quezon City branch. Ito po ang magbibigay ng kaginhawaan sa atin. Hindi ho kayo mapapahiya na dalhin yung bisita nyo dito sa Salveyo Well Corporation Office sa Quezon City. Opisina pa lang, hindi ka pa magsasalita. Ang opisina na ang magsasalita. Sumali ka na, sumama ka na. Kung ikaw naghahanap ng tahanan, naghahanap ng magandang pangkabuhayan, Salveyo Well po ang sagot sa iyong mga pangarap. And most especially, one of the best kasi ito ang unang multi-level marketing company na may drive-thru. San ka pa? Mag-Salveyo ka na. And doon sa makakakita na itong video na to, silipin mo to. Just connect to the right people in Salveyo. And also, I'm telling you, your life will never be the same again.
To Salveyo success and to saving, changing more lives. Cheers!